10 amazing tactical gear and survival gadgets, essential tools for preparedness. Prepare yourself for an exhilarating journey into the world of tactical gear and survival gadgets that are designed to equip you for any situation. In this article, we unveil 10 remarkable tools that not only showcase cutting-edge technology but also serve as essential companions for outdoor adventures and unforeseen challenges. 1. Multi-tool survival kit, compact and versatile. This tool combines various functions in one, from cutting to opening cans. 2. Tactical flashlight, beyond illumination, it features built-in tools for self-defense and emergency signaling. 3. Portable water filtration system, stay hydrated with ease by turning even murky water into a potable source. 4. Emergency shelter, from lightweight tents to bivy sacks, these shelters protect you from the elements. 5. Paracord bracelet, a fashionable accessory that unravels into a strong cord for various survival needs. 6. Solar-powered charger, stay connected by harnessing the power of the sun to charge your devices. 7. Firestarter kit, reliable fire-starting tools are a must for warmth, cooking, and signaling for help. 8. Survival whistle, loud and attention-grabbing, it can signal for help in emergencies. 9. First aid kit, be prepared for injuries with a comprehensive medical kit tailored for outdoor scenarios. 10. Navigation tools, compasses, GPS devices, and maps ensure you never lose your way. From the backcountry to urban environments, these tactical gear and survival gadgets are indispensable for adventurers, explorers, and anyone prioritizing preparedness. This collection showcases innovation that not only enhances your outdoor experiences but also offers a sense of security in the face of the unexpected.